Make a fish face. You a fishy? Are you a fishy? Jack. Oh, there's the fishy. Jack, say door. Door.
Say door.
Ew, that was gross.
What do you do?
That was like all the spit flew out of his mouth. Jack, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good boy.
Bye-bye.
Make your fishy face.